Hi, how are you? San Diego State in the house. I wanted to share with you the tool that I used to make that video that you just watched. Wasn't it great? The tool that I'm going to show you is called Animoto, and it's free or you can pay for additional features. Plus there's a way to get an educator account, which I'm still looking into. So here goes. So here I am logged into my Animoto account. It's pretty straightforward to set up an account, so I'm not going to really focus too much on that. Let's just go ahead and make a new video. So I'm going to click Create Video. Now the first thing, we've loaded the last project you were working on. No, I want to ditch it. Let's click a new one. Alright, let's start a new one. Well, because I have a little bit better version, I can make a 30-minute or a full-length video. Sorry, not 30-minute, 30-second or a full-length video. If you get the free version, you're mostly going to be able to make 30-second videos. So why don't I go ahead? Well, that one says 30 seconds is 12 to 15 images. I have more images that I'd like to use, so I'm going to go with the full-length video. Let me upload the images from my computer. So let's see, I need to go back here to Pictures, and I have something called Yearbook Yourself. I've got a whole lot of pictures, so I'm going to upload the whole series, 1950 to 2000. What I would look like yearbooked in 1950 to 2000 every few years. I think it's every 2 or 4 years. So I'd made these pictures a long time ago, and I'm going to make a funny video out of them. Now I believe that with the full version you can add text, or sorry, with the educator version you can add text and things like that. There's some tools down here for adding text. I want to do this super quickly, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. But let's say I wanted to add text on this one. Add text. Oh, maybe I just move it. Okay, let's add it here. So, Diane Main yearbooked, and then 1950 to 2000. So let's see how that looks. You can spotlight a picture. So let's say I have a particular favorite. I like that one a lot. I'm going to spotlight it. I like this one a lot. I'm going to spotlight it. This one's kind of cute. I think I'll spotlight her too. So certain ones, this one's funny, I can spotlight. Now let's say I'm done with that. You can do a lot more with modifying and changing and things. Now I want to select some music. Now if I had created some music on my computer, I could use it. I don't advocate that you upload copyrighted music that you've downloaded from iTunes or something like that, or gotten from a CD. That's not a good idea. But if you created something of your own in GarageBand, you could upload it. Instead, I'm going to show you the kinds of stuff they have to choose from. All Mine is the song that I used in the video you saw at the beginning there. And let's see if I could, let's see what Crystal Ball sounds like. Okay, this sounds fun. I'm going to stop previewing that. That sounds fun because it's like looking back through a crystal ball at all my pictures. So I've chosen it, and what it's going to do is it's going to automatically put that stuff in there. And I could tell it where I want. I can play to choose where I want it to start or stop, but I'm not going to do that just now. I'm just going to let it go from wherever it says. So save and continue. The video cover screen. That one looks like my mom, for reals. I'm going to pick that one as the video cover screen. Now I can paste the images to be at half their speed or twice their speed, or just go with normal. And also I can change the video length. These settings are fine. So I'm going to call it Diane Main Yearbooked. I used the site Yearbook Yourself to make these hilarious pictures of me. Alright, now I'm going to create the video. Now this is the part that's really cool. It takes a little while, so I'll probably pause for a bit. You can see that it's going to process and analyze and render. It's going to actually make a lot of the stuff for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video here, and I'm going to download the video and show it to you at the end of the video. So brace yourselves. Here it comes. Hey, it's still rendering. Hang in there, okay? Boom, boom, boom. Rendering, rendering, rendering. This part does take a little while. Ooh, it's done! Okay, so in case you're wondering, what I've done now is I've exported it from Animoto to YouTube, and then I have to wait for YouTube to process it, and then I can download it as an MP4 from YouTube so I can put it into this video. But if you've got it on YouTube, or just you can send something to Animoto, there's all these different features for sharing it, which you get at the end of creating your video. So, the moment we've all been waiting for, Diane Main, yearbooked.
This is the way that